Kimberly Tully and her family have counted on her neighborhood health clinic for more than a decade.
This whole community, like, we depend on this clinic.
But major drug makers' move to save money may force her North Philly doctor's office to downsize or close.
That would really crush and hurt the whole community.
At least 5 major drug manufacturers have told providers they want to cut or limit federally required drug discounts.
For the drug companies, it's only about 1% of their total budget. But for a health center like us, we get a little bit of the savings, and so that ends up being like hundreds of thousands of dollars a year.
For nurse practitioner Tarek Khan, a little bit for the drug companies goes a long way in the 5 clinics where he sees patients. Philadelphia's Family Practice and Counseling Network saw more than 116,000 people from some of Philly's poorest neighborhoods in 2019. 1/3 of the nonprofit's budget relies on the drug discounts.
It's the difference between us being in the black to being in the red, which is huge for us.
Khan's clinic is one of many across the country that would be impacted. Public health officials say many of the people he and his colleagues see are most at risk from the coronavirus. They're relied on to test thousands of people and will be needed to distribute a vaccine.
Community health centers that are in Philadelphia play a crucial role for people who are underserved, low-income folks. We have a large number of them. We absolutely need to have them be strong in order to be able to distribute this vaccine to the people who have the least resources.
This week, more than 200 members of the U.S. House of Representatives, including members from both parties, wrote pharma CEOs and the U.S. Secretary of Health and Human Services. They argued, quote, "It is imperative that immediate action is taken to ensure covered entities continue to receive critical drug discounts."
All my children went here.
During a pandemic or for routine checkups, families like Kimberly Tully's need health care.
Yes, it matters. It really matters to me.
In North Philly, I'm Mitch Blocker, NBC 10 News.